Hi, today we're going to walk through Wood-Mizer's MP360. This four-sided planer molder turns rough-sawn wood into a variety of finished wood products. Planed boards, flooring, crown molding, cabinet trim, beams, and more. With the MP360, you can straight plane and profile on all four sides at the same time. The MP360 is very similar in concept to the MP260, but with larger capacity for processing bigger timber and more features for higher hourly production levels for big projects. Okay, let's go take a look. It's easy to adjust and has user-friendly measurement scales. The viewing window lets you supervise the cutting process. You really have large capacity for four-sided molding and planing, and even larger capacity for one-sided or two-sided planing or molding. At the control panel, you can start and stop your cutter motors, your power feed, and your sawdust extraction system. You have full access to the top and bottom horizontal cutters and the two vertical spindles. The MP360 comes with bigger cutters and more powerful motors on the top and bottom cutters than the MP260. It also comes with taller vertical spindles so you can plane taller timber. The feed rollers press down on the board and move it through the machine. Even if the board is bowed, the feed rollers will hold it down flat so you get a consistent profile from end to end. The first four rollers are made of steel, and the last roller is polyurethane, so that your finished profile won't be damaged. You can adjust the feed speed here. The bottom cutter planes the bottom smooth or cuts out a molding profile. Depending on the cutting depth you need, you can adjust the in-feed table accordingly. After passing over the bottom cutter, the right edge of the board meets the first vertical spindle cutter, which is stationary. Cutting knives can be placed on the spindle at different heights using spacers. These side rollers keep pressure on the board edge, so the board is kept firmly aligned during the cutting process from both the top and the sides. Then the board's left edge meets the second vertical spindle cutter, which can be adjusted in and out depending on the width of your material. Lastly, the board passes under the top cutter. This cutter can mold or plane single surfaces that are very wide and tall. When you adjust the height, everything moves together, keeping everything precisely aligned. Each cutter has its own individual extraction point. Wood-Mizer provides various extraction systems depending on your needs. Changing out knives takes approximately 10 to 20 minutes. Some customers keep extra spindles with commonly used profiles installed at all times, and just replace the cutters themselves when needing to cut a new profile. To align the knives, you can just follow the lines. The product you produce is completely up to your combination of straight and profiled knives in the cutters. So that's a wrap on our walkthrough of the MP360. The MP360 will expand your ability to offer more to your customers, increase the value of your products, and let you take more control of your profitability. It ships on one pallet and requires minimal assembly to begin using. And this planer molder isn't new. It first appeared on the market in the 1990s. The Swedish company that produces them is now a part of the Wood-Mizer family. Wood-Mizer's planer molders are still made in Sweden by the same people who designed, improved, and produced them for more than 20 years. Wood-Mizer is excited to build on that legacy in order to supply woodworkers with the tools they require. The MP360 is available worldwide. Visit Wood-Mizer online for more information, or talk to your local Wood-Mizer dealer.